Good morning, everyone. Welcome. My name is April. This is the Frugal Planner channel. And if this is your first time here, thank you for joining me. Please feel free to subscribe and like the video by the end if you do. And if you are a return trip, welcome back. Yes. All right. So I know it's getting close to 2026 and people are starting to look at what kind of planner systems they want for the whole year. No pressure, right? None at all. I wanted to sit down this morning and help you choose the right system for you. So grab a notebook, grab a piece of paper, pause, grab some tea or some coffee, whatever you need, and come back. All right, are you ready for this? So I'm gonna put at the top here, choosing the right for you. Now this is going to be a fun exercise. It's not going to be, you know me. All right, so let's do a box right here. What are some of the must-haves? So right here in this box, must-haves. Is it a monthly calendar? Is it dailies? Is it a weekly? Is it a dashboard layout? Is it what do you have to have? Do you have to have, for me, I have to have a monthly layout and a weekly layout for sure. All right. And then over here, boop, preference, week, preference. Do you prefer a Monday start or a Sunday start? I prefer a Monday start. So I'm going to put that in there. Come down here. Told you it'd be fun. We're just drawing all different kind of shapes this morning. Do you like a coil bound? Do you like a spiral bound? Do you like rings or disc or a bound? Do you like it bound together? And then pretty importantly, what is your price range? Where are you most comfortable in spending? Is it under 10? Is it under 50? Is it under 100? What is your price range? Now, next one. This is a big one, and it depends throughout the year which one I choose to answer. So, do you like a pre-filled layout? One that you don't have to do anything to, it's all done for you? Or do you like to design your own layout? That's an important question. And then I just like doing the boxes because I think it makes the visual texture a little bit better. Do you like let's talk about layouts. Do you like a vertical? Do you like an academic? What about a teacher planner? How about a horizontal? Do you like the Dutch door system? Kind of like the Laurel Denise? Do you like the daily layouts? And then what kind of like paper do you like? Do you like a grid paper? Do you like dots? Do you prefer blank? And when I say blank, completely blank. Do you like a wide ruled notebook? Or maybe a college rule? See how there's a lot of questions? Up here, we are going to do, what are you using for your, what are you writing with? Are you using gel pens, markers? Do you every once in a while use a fountain pen? There's some really affordable and fun fountain pens on the market. Will you have trackers or collections? Are those important to you? Do you need a place to put your schedule? Which, this would also be like an hourly, if you did an hourly. And then here, what else will you be using? So will you be using washi tape, stickers, spelled that wrong, got a little carried away there. So are you worried about bulk? Because that sometimes makes a difference on what type of binding you get. If it's a bound book and it gets, you know, thick from using stickers, washi tape, taping things in like movie tickets or postcards, things like that, the binding doesn't hold very well. So then you can consider doing a ring system or a disc system and kind of go that way. That's why we're doing this, just to see. And then we're going to do just a couple of questions. So question 1, do you prefer one planning system, one whole year? We'll do one whole year at a time. Or boop, boop, boop. Whoops. Do you prefer multiple systems? And then here's a good one. If you sat down and decided what planners you have loved, make a running total. Planners I did not love. Running list. And then the very last question I'm going to have you ask is, if money grew on trees and you could just go out to the front yard, pick however much money you needed, what planner system would you buy? So if money grew on trees, which planning system would you purchase? Would it be an Erin Condren? Would it be a Laurel Denise? Would it be Sterling Ink? Would it be Hobonichi? Maybe a Plum Paper? What about Moxie Life? There's a whole bunch out there, and ones I'm not even naming. So if you have a dream planner in mind, the follow-up question to that, since money doesn't grow on trees, can you design it yourself? And I think that's a really important question. So as you're going through this, I know I went through it really fast. You can pause the video and write down your thoughts and then, continue. But as you're going through this, really think about, what your must-haves are, what your preference is, your price range, how you like it bound, how you like it held together. Do you like a pre-filled layout or design your own, or maybe a combination of both? Because I prefer to print out a monthly calendar and glue it in rather than draw it, because I always mess up. And then what layouts? If you use multiple layouts, it might be better and more affordable to do your own layout in a notebook or in a 9-disc system. Just buy the blank paper and complete it. Or, what are you going to write in? Are you going to write mostly in gel pens, maybe ballpoint, pencil? This really has the gauge on what kind of paper quality that you would want to choose. Or if you're going to glue pages together, that's another thing. And that's totally an option. Then we go through, are you going to be doing collections and trackers? Do you need space for a schedule? If you're using ephemera, washi, stickers, do you prefer a whole year or do you prefer multiple systems? And what I mean by this is, do you like one planner for the whole year? Or do you like, you'll fill in 3 months and then you'll fill your notebook and then move on to another notebook? Or you like the Hobonichi idea of having 2 planners, one for the first half of the year, one for the second half of the year. And then just go through the list down below. If there's a planner that you are absolutely in love with, but you don't know how to recreate it in a blank notebook, let me know down below, and then let me know what your binding preference is, your week preference, like what day your week starts, and then whether you like grid, dot, blank, wide ruled, or college ruled. And I will do my very best over the next couple months. What is it? October, November, December? Yeah. I will do my best to compile those requests and do specific videos showing you ideas, not to like the whole stealing of a layout. I don't want to do that, but ideas and brainstorms that we can do on the channel to get an idea of how to take those ideas from a pre-printed planner and move them into a planning system that is affordable and works for you. I hope you have an amazing day. I love you. It's been fun putting this together. Let me know if you've done anything like this and if you're going to sit down and go through this. And yeah, I'm excited. I'm excited to see what you think. I hope you have an amazing day. I love you. Bye.